Okay, we are given the diagram. They said if the area of triangle ABC is 3 root 3, what was the measure of theta? Okay, looking at the diagram, I'm seeing a triangle inscribed in a circle, and we have the height of the triangle 3 cm. They gave us the area, and since I'm conversant with triangle, for this to have root 3, there is a formula for area of an equilateral triangle that has something to do with root 3. So it has two formulas in terms of the sides and in terms of the height. So if you have an equilateral triangle of sides A and height H, so the area of this triangle, maybe name it ABC, that the area is either root 3 over 4a squared or root 3 over 3h squared. So in terms of the side, we use this formula. In terms of that, the height, we use this one. So for this to have root 3, so what I will do, I will test whether I will check whether the triangle is an equilateral triangle. From there, the question is solved. So using this, so I have root 3 over 3h squared is equal to 3 root 3. As you can see, root 3 is off. 3 times 3 is 3 squared. So 3 squared is h squared. Therefore, h is 3. So do you see the height now corresponds to what we have? They gave us the height as 3, and we've calculated from the area that the height is 3. Therefore, triangle, which implies that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So what do we do now? We know the property of an equilateral triangle, that all the sides and angles are congruent. So you can now see that these angles are 60 each. And since this is the height is always a perpendicular bisector, an angle bisector. So this 30, 30. So looking at this, we are looking for theta by Bose theorem. Theta is 30 degrees. Yes. Therefore, theta is 30. Remember, by Bose theorem. Bose theorem is just a theorem in circle, that if you have a circle, we'll call this an intercepted arc. Maybe if you have A, B, C, this BC is called an intercepted. So if you notice, that is, if you have two inscribed angle with the same, this is called an inscribed angle. So if they have the same intercepted arc, the angles are equal. So if here is x, here is also x. So that's how theta is 30 degrees by Bose theorem. So the answer is option A. So it's a very tricky question. So some student will just run and choose not enough info. But you are given something, so they expect you to reason out one or two things before you choose your answer. So thank you.